Welcome back to another episode of Skids and Donuts, where today we're going to change the lights on the BMW from yellow to white using these. Alongside that, there are going to be a few videos of the BMW where I'm just going to be doing basic mods to it. So new kidney grills hopefully at some point. I'm going to be doing some carbon fibre wrap in the interior. So if you're interested in those future videos coming up, hit that red subscribe button so you don't miss them. Anyway, let's install these lights. About it, but BMW decided to put the access point to the lights to the wheel well, so. Let's see what's actually in here. Manpower. There we go. That's the original. That's the new one. Let's see the difference these make. So that's the bulbs changed now. Personally, I see a massive difference. I think the best way we're going to be able to see this is to do a before and after. And I know just the spot. This is before. And this is after.
Taking the world, you'll see.